Hi my little champs. Hope you all are doing very well. Today we are here to study MS Access. That's our chapter 3, Introduction to MS Access. What do you meant by MS Access? Do you know? MS Access is a database program. I will give you a simple explanation on database. A database is a program that allows you to store, organize and manipulate the data. Data can be anything and everything. Your name, age, date of birth or any other information like house, vehicle, bank balance, etc. can be considered as a data. Files. Files are collection of data. Here you can see a picture of files, so many files. School register, office records, mark list, etc. are examples of files. Disadvantages of these manual files are loss of data, lack of security and it takes more labor to arrange. Nowadays, these files are stored, operated and maintained in a computer as database. DBMS, it is a computerized data management system. It helps to retrieve or store and retrieve data in a structured way. Then RDBMS, it is Relational Database Management System. RDBMS is based on related data stored in the base of tables. Next, let's have a look on advantages of DBMS. Improved data access, avoid data redundancy, data consistency and data security. These are the advantages of DBMS. Avoid data redundancy. What do you mean by redundancy? Duplication of data. That is called redundancy. DBMS ensures this duplication, avoid this duplication, whereas in manual files there is a possibility of duplication. Next comes data consistency. Data consistency. DBMS ensures data consistency by storing data at one place and ensuring that there is no duplication of data. And the next point is data security. DBMS allows authorized users to access the files. Here we can decide the limited access and the unlimited access by putting a password protection. So my dears, I hope the things are very clear to you. So what are the points we have studied today? We have studied what is a file. File is a collection of data and we have studied the disadvantage of keeping these files manually. Maybe the loss of data, then we'll take a time to arrange this. So those are the disadvantages we have studied. Then we came across database. Database means arranging data in a tabular form. Then we have studied DBMS. What is it? Database Management System. Thereafter we came across RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. And after that we have studied 4 advantages of using this DBMS. And do you remember those 4 things? Improved data access, avoid data redundancy, data consistency and data security. So these are the 4 advantages we have studied in DBMS. Maklai, so for the time being, it's time to wind up our topic and we will study more about MS Access in the coming classes. So for the time being, bye-bye.